The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops. Unhook the dampener arm. These rivets require pressing the center button down and prying the base up with your trusty screwdriver. Remove the two screws at the bottom of the glove box. Pry off the glove box assembly. To disconnect the sensor, pull it straight back. Disconnect the light from the panel. Unclip both sides of the filter housing door. There may be some wires in the way. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1058C filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing frame. Reinstall the sensor. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the pins by squeezing the bottom and threading it through the hole. Once the center is pressed down, the pin will be locked. Reinstall the bottom screws. After lifting the glove box, push in on the sides to get the two securing tabs behind the frame. This will secure the glove box. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.